What's up, YouTube? Got a product I want to share with you. These are the Amend2 magazines. This is for my Glock 19 right here. Got these because they were on sale pretty cheap. I think I paid 10 bucks a piece for these mags. Here's one right here. And a couple other things. They are made right in my backyard, basically, over in Idaho Falls, which I have to go there to do any kind of major shopping. They're a family-owned business. They are 100% made in the USA. They're out there. These are polymer magazines. There's no metal in here except for the spring. Now they say the spring has no memory, so they won't take a set. The follower, let's open this one here. The follower is self-lubricating, so that's a good thing. Has a red follower, no metal on the lips, like a Glock mag. There's a standard Glock mag, Glock 19 magazine. We'll compare these a little bit. Does have the witness holes. They do hold 15 rounds apiece. What else? Yeah, so wanted to try these out. I have not shot this pistol with them, but I have cycled some mags through these. So this is what the stock Glock looks like with the mag in it. Okay, and then this is what it looks like with a Amend2 mag. So definitely a little longer, and this right here doesn't really do much as far as the grip, because the Glock 19 has a full-size grip on it. They do drop free, just like Glock mags. So let's take a close look at these together. So yeah, just happy to find some more Glock mags that are cheaper than original mags. I don't know how durable these are yet. I'll probably do a follow-up video after I put a few hundred rounds through these things. Now they are longer, as you saw in the pistol. I'm not quite sure if the base plate is removable. Actually it is, it just moved. So you can take them apart for cleaning. Now I will say that it was pretty stiff. So the Glock mag is not too bad. Got good tension behind it, but this one is definitely stiff, and I don't know if that's going to loosen up in time. If you look at the followers, they're a little different. I didn't have any feeding issues hand cycling the pistol with these so far. I mean, they can't copy their design, 100%, but these do say Amend2 on them. Just give the caliber right there and which Glock it's for. Now I got it on their website. These are 15 bucks on their website. I got a deal through Palmetto State or something like that. I can't remember where I ordered these from. But still, 15 bucks for a Glock mag is pretty good. They feel pretty strong. I mean, you know, other than having no metal in them, I don't see a problem with these actually working. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you. I like to support local, especially like I said, right in my backyard where I go shopping all the time. I have to stop by their facility. They do make AR mags, Glock mags. I didn't see any other mags for like Smith & Wesson or Taurus or Ruger or anything like that yet, but you never know. That may be coming up. And so I'll run as soon as the weather gets better. It's snowing here again. I'll run some rounds through these mags, see how they perform. Double check back with you. I might be going over there to Idaho Falls soon, and maybe I'll try to track these people down and talk with them a little bit. So yeah, just a nice looking mag. I mean, actually the Glock mag is heavier because of all the steel in it. These are pretty lightweight, and when they're loaded, I should have brought my scale. This one actually does feel lighter, completely loaded. I only have 14 rounds in these right now. So yeah, check them out if you want. Wait for my review, my follow-up review on functionality, reliability, and durability. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. We'll see you.